Today, it's the premiere of the Clueless Meet the Ignorant. In other words, an FOMC meeting. What's up, everybody? Welcome aboard to BUBBA'S Daily Update for Wednesday, February the 4th or 5th. What day is it? February the 5th? No, it's the 4th. and well, pretty wild action already on the markets. You've got the S&P on the low, the Dow on the highs, and the NASDAQ falling apart a little bit today after the last couple of days of rally. Look, I think it's all basing into this meeting this afternoon at 2 Eastern. They will announce, the smoke will come out of the chimney, and they'll tell us what they're going to do with interest rates. I think the street is priced in 50 basis points, but with last week's GDP, they could have an excuse to cut it to 25, or they could go as high as 75, but who knows what they're going to do? They don't know what they're going to do because it is the clueless versus the ignorant. So we'll see. In the meantime, the markets rallied late Monday yesterday, and now they're a little bit lower this morning. And we're still short across the board. Crude oil is spiking higher today. It's up about $4 at the moment. I was up almost 5 one time at about 107. And again, it's really just in a range, 100 to 107. Gold and silver are under a little bit of pressure again, and not a surprise. Now, they will react to whatever this number is. I don't see it helping them. I think they're in pretty deep crap right now. Again, I think obviously long term they're going to be a great investment, but as far as a trading vehicle, I think you're going to see some pretty serious lower prices. Bonds and notes are getting cracked again, which again makes sense. That's what we kind of expected all along. I mean, interest rates are going higher, so you can say whatever you want, but interest rates are going up. The dollar is lower, we're long. The Bitcoin is higher, we're still short. But Bitcoin's really stuck in a tight range. Copper is getting cracked again, and we're short. Natural gas is doing its usual, and it is higher. I mean, look, this is almost 850. It is a joke. This is all because of a stupid energy policy. There's no other answer to it. The energy is the salvation for everybody. But of course, if you don't want to help the middle class, and you want to continue to put small business out, you don't produce energy. It's about as dumb as you can possibly get. But of course, look at who's leading this country. In the meantime, in the grain markets, pretty flattish. But wheat's up nicely, up 21 cents. Beans and corn are just slightly flat to lower. We're long haul, and we're going a lot higher. Okay, I apologize. We rolled beans this morning to short, but they're all going a lot higher. I don't really want to be short, but again, the trend right now is short, so I'll play it. The protein complex, you've got hogs up a couple of bucks. Listen, they've been getting pounded, and I told you on Monday night there'd be a big rally this week. Cattle and fats and feeders are kind of near the unchanged line. Feeders a little higher touch, and fats a little lower. And in the softs, you've got cotton higher, we are long. You've got coffee flat, we are short. You've got sugar flat, we are short. You've got cocoa up a little bit, we're short. And you've got OJ down a little bit, and we're long. Not bad. I mean, look, again, you put them all together, and they work out okay. There's just a lot of stuff going on, and I think that, again, a lot's going to be determined by the imbeciles that will be meeting later today. It's sad that we have to put our stock in these people that have no clue how a market or an economy work. They do have their models, though. Don't forget that. In the meantime, don't forget about our sponsors, Capital Trading Group. What a great organization that the best customer service in the industry. We've got other brokers, but they're the only ones I could use for our letter of direction trading. Trading brokerage for equities and options. Look, they're going to have cryptos soon, which will be able to be used in your regular trading account. And they're $10 a month, and you can auto trade there at no cost. I mean, well, what could you ask for? Automation, okay? And strategic wealth preservation for your metals needs. That's where I do all my shopping. And of course, don't forget about our high school program at Patreon. And they're scrolling on the bottom and the sides. Check them out. Look, there's no obligation. Check them out and see what you think. But I'm telling you, those are the places that I use personally. In the meantime, we'll see what happens. We'll see what happens at 2:00 Eastern time. Have a great day, everybody. We'll see you back here again tomorrow with another Bubba's Daily Update.